higher than gold.
A remnant of my people.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If this is the first time that you're seeing my face, I am Sasha, and by the title you know what we'll be doing today. We're going to be making ice cream again, but this time with a little twist. We're going to be doing a vegan ice cream. And before I forget, happy new year guys. Happy 2020 as I hope so far you have a different mindset. You have like better goals in mind that you want to achieve. Don't ace the process, but what you could have done better last year, try to improve on this year. So yeah guys, I hope so far you're having a decent 2020 at least. So first off, the vegan ice cream, I'm using coconut, as you know, because it's the new year, right? Almost everybody wants to be. Who doesn't want to be healthy? Like, who doesn't? So one step to that is, you know, most of us love sweet treats, and sweet treats can come in a healthy way as well. So you don't have to have sweet treats and it's unhealthy for you. You can have it and it's healthy, tasty, yummy. So I want to do that in terms of ice cream and see how it turns out. I've never done vegan ice cream or natural ice cream, whatever you like to call it, so I'm going to try it out. I've been looking at videos on YouTube, then thinking of some twists for my own vegan ice cream. So what I did, I used one large coconut, then I cut it into pieces. As you can see right here, I've about it. And afterwards, the water that comes within that coconut, I'm going to use it to blend this coconut with. And the light is gone right now, so I have to wait till it come back to blend this. So until then, I just share what I might you probably need. I am trying to put together a recipe in my head plus what I see on the internet. When I blend this, I'm going to pour it into a jug, and afterwards I am going to set that aside probably until tomorrow. Then I wanted to do it with cashew, but I did not buy cashew, but you still can do it without the cashew. I'm going to make a simple syrup, which is like equal parts. Whatever amount of sugar you use, that's the amount of water you'll be using as well. When I make that simple syrup, I'm going to add it into the blender with the coconut water and the coconut. Then I'm going to add my flavorings. I'll probably add a vanilla or a bit of rose water. I've never tasted rose water to see what it's like, but if I like the taste and the smell, I'll probably use that. If not, just my simple vanilla. Afterwards, add some salt to that and set that aside. Turn on my ice cream maker, then add the mixture and see how it turns out. The fingers crossed, I guess, for this one guys. So enough rambling, let's get started. Well, for me, I have to wait till the light comes on to start the process, but for you guys know that the power of editing, you're gonna see it right now. Is it, or is it anyway right now? Also guys, if you guys want to check out my previous video of me doing ice cream, and it's a very fun one. It was very funny at some parts of it with me and my mom in the kitchen. You can check that out. So the video will be linked in the description box, or you can just go and search it alongside my other videos. You know, I have to keep that promo in, so yeah, you can go and check that out. Also, if you want to see how I achieved this towel, it was kind of a fail, but I did it back again, and this time, as you can see, it was a big achievement. So if you want to know how to do if you want to bleach your hair, then you can go and click on my video. So basically I do a variety of videos, from creating my own songs, challenges, beauty, hair, baking, videos like this with ice cream. So yeah, on to the next clip. Just see.
New Jerusalem, till eternal life. I see it in the streets. I see it in the streets. Me use my eyes and see it. I see it in the streets. I see it in the streets. I see it in the streets. Me use my eyes and see it. I see it in the streets.
A remnant. My people.
See the poor them begging for them bread, and every day a earth passing with a dead. And right now tell them fi hold them mates, and righteousness they better get it instead. I'm talking to the bigger heads, I'm talking to the thugs and fakes. Tell them fi get things right, try preserve life, now but that try take life. I see it in the streets, I see it in the streets. Me use my eyes and see it. I see it in the streets. I see it in the streets. I see it in the streets. Me use my eyes and see it. I see it in the streets. I listen, I see I come manifest it. So why you want to reject the truth? And you know want to set it, and you know want to bless it. Forget a little blessing. Jah balance the earth, so me know you can't curse. Love was here from birth, so princess get.
Gonna put this to blend again so I can get a bit more of the milk and then get right back to you.
I see it in the streets. I see it in the streets. I see it in the streets. Me use my eyes and see it. I see it in the streets. A lot of things are going on, me no like. So right now me say the fire fi light. And right now me say you better live right. And right now me say you better unite. Remnant there once more again. Me telling you my friend.
So now I got 2 bottles, but as you can see, this one that we did first, the water is being separated from the actual milk, and this is what we'll be using, the milk. So we just throw this off and leave that in the bottle. And this will do the same because we just did this one. So these can stay for a couple hours or overnight depending on you. So guys, as you can see, I'm in the kitchen once again. If you hear the background noise, I have to put that out there. You know, my backyard is full of blackbirds. Should I show them? I don't think so. Right now they are out there, about a dozen or more, if I don't lie. So please see that, and also don't mind my dress. You know, it's my video. I want to dress how I want to dress, okay? I am going to be making the simple syrup right now. So because I don't want a lot of sugar sweetness in the ice cream, in the vegan ice cream, I'm going to be using 1/4 cup of white sugar, granulated sugar, and 1/4 cup of water. So that's why I said equal parts. If you're using 1 cup of sugar, you need 1 cup of water. If you're using half cup of sugar, you're going to need half cup of water. So yeah, let's get started. And this is day 2, guys. This is just basically me doing everything now. Yesterday I was just blending the coconut and making the milk part of it rise to the top. You know what I'm talking about as the video goes on. So use that amount of granulated sugar. Then my water. Turn that down on low heat. Let it come to a boil for about like until you don't see the sugar grains anymore. Then we can start the vegan ice cream.
With grace and mercy.
The syrup, by the way, guys, all the sugar has been dissolved, so now we have our syrup to add into the coconut mixture. So guys, this is how it looks when the fat separates from the coconut water or the water. So I have to work fast with this. Take off all the cream and put it in the blender for now, because it's kind of overflowing, as you can see. So my simple syrup is now finished. What I'm going to do, sorry for the, it's just the way the kitchen is set up right now. I have to tilt the camera this way. Sorry for that, guys. So I'm just gonna take off the fat right now, carefully. This is what we want. And add it into my blender.
Set me free from pain and sorrow.
It's not going to be a lot of ice cream. I thought it was going to be a lot, but oh well, who knows, because this is kind of like a trial, I guess. We don't know if it's going to come out the way that I want it, so yeah. I'm just going to do all of that and then get back to you. So this is the amount we got, guys. So if you can see it, not a lot. So I'm going to add the simple syrup to it and vanilla, and I was going to add cashews. That's for another time. Let's see how this turns out first. Then I'm going to put it into the ice cream maker. So let's get started. So because this simple syrup is very sweet, you just need about like a tablespoon or more. Just about that. Just eyeball it, guys. And like a teaspoon of vanilla, but I'm going to use a tablespoon because this that I'm using, tend to notice it's not strong enough. So yeah, and a pinch of salt, to keep it frozen. It's frozen state, not easily melted. You know? This is how it looks. Gonna blend that now. It smells so good. So I'm gonna put it in the ice cream machine right now and see how it turns out. Wish me luck, guys. Just setting this up right now. You know it goes already.
Put me up front, them cannot first up. I don't wanna war, I just put a fire on the raping.
Oh, my mom is over there taking down the Christmas tree. You see her? This is a mixture, guys. I'm gonna pour it in. You already know how this goes already. You can watch my previous video if you have not seen me doing ice cream. Go and check that out. That was very funny with my mom in it. So yeah. So I'm gonna take off like first one. Yeah. I don't know how it's gonna come out still, but let's see. It's not a lot, guys, of mixture, but it will do for a cup of ice cream. It looks, guys. I guess because there's not a lot of mixture, that's why it looks like this. Not like the first time we did it. So but I'm gonna put it in a little cup, put it in the freezer, then you know it's still ice cream, guys. I'm just gonna taste it now to see if it tastes yummy, so I can know if I can make a lot more in the future to come. Got the texture of ice cream though. Let me go for my spoon. You hear the background, my mom's watching Generation. Look at the consistency, guys. Oh my gosh. That tastes so good. So I'm just gonna scrape this out in this little bowl here. watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And also thank you for clicking on this video, supporting your girl. And if you want, you can try this, guys. It's so good, so healthy for you. Healthy 2020 we say. Okay, so until next time, bye.